Let's have brunch at this extra special UCC branch. Hey friends, we visited the newly opened UCC Mentore branch in Shangri-La Plaza. Ang ganda ng dark but cozy vibe, and balita namin they're using new coffee machines. But what we really came here for are the exclusive food and drinks. For appetizer, we got crispy shrooms na crispy talaga. The sauce naman ang sarap, parang barbecue but spicy, so na-enjoy ni Lovey. Hopefully may non-spicy or less spicy version. We also tried the ube oatmeal. You can definitely smell the ube but the flavor is mellow para hindi nakakasuya. The cook on the oatmeal is how I like it. Not too runny, hindi rin yung super lagkit na. For something more substantial, we got the Wagyu Salisbury steak. It's the Salisbury steak we know and love done well. The patty was beefy, tender, and moist. And since nasa UCC tayo, we cannot not order coffee. The Spanish latte, maganda yung timpla. The coffee was strong and the sweetness was subtle just the way we like it. Yung avocado latte, I was excited to try kasi kakaiba. The coffee itself